In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create long shadow text in Canva. This is a stylish, graphic look that adds depth and drama to your titles, perfect for thumbnails, posters, and social posts. I'll guide you through the entire process from setting up your canvas to customizing the shadow so it fits your design perfectly. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening an existing template you want to work in. Pick a size that suits your project, like a presentation, Instagram post, or custom dimensions. Having a background already in place helps you see how the shadow color and length will interact with your layout. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Apps tab. This is where Canva keeps its add-ons and effects that go beyond the standard text tools. In the search bar inside Apps, type Extrude. When you see the Type Extrude app appear, click to open it. This tool is designed specifically to generate that long, extruded shadow look with easy controls, so you don't have to stack layers manually. You'll see a text box inside the app. Type the words you want to style. Keep an eye on spacing and capitalization so it matches your brand or concept. Below the text field, you'll find ready-made presets. Select any preset to instantly apply a starting style. Presets are a quick way to explore different angles, thicknesses, and depths without guessing. If you want to personalize it further, choose a different font. Bold, geometric fonts usually produce a cleaner, more dramatic extrude, while script or narrow fonts can give a more subtle effect. Now choose your extrude color. For a classic look, pick a darker tone of your main text color. For high contrast, try a complementary hue. Make sure the shadow color still reads clearly against your background. Click Edit Effect to fine-tune. The key control here is the distance slider. Increasing the distance creates a longer shadow. Decreasing it keeps the shadow tight and minimal. Adjust until the shadow length supports your layout without overwhelming it. Small tweaks go a long way. When you're happy, click Add to Design. The styled text will drop onto your canvas as an element. From here, resize it by dragging the corner handles. Keep proportions locked to avoid stretching the letters. Finally, reposition it where it balances your composition. Center it for a title, or align with grid lines for a polished layout. That's it. You've created long shadow text in Canva with full control over style, color, and depth. Save your design and you're ready to share.